What's going on, my YouTube family? That Wood guy back here in action. We're back out doing what we do best, my friends. I haven't stopped doing what I do best, and that's make lots of sawdust. White 7.3 still has her rusty box. The new 6.7's on the job. Just kind of giving the 7.3 a little bit of a break. 6.7 was feeling a little left out, so figured I'd put her on the road for a little bit, and roads have been dry, so I've been getting lucky with that. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks again for everybody's support and everybody's likes. Can't believe we made the 1,000 subscribers, my friends. One of your individual support and likes and comments. Thanks for everybody's advice. I appreciate it all, guys. And hope everybody's going to enjoy it. We're back out here. Let's do some firewood. I got a couple orders today. We're going to have a nice day, so things are going to turn nice and sloppy. And what better way to play with a sloppy mess than a nice lifted truck? Quick little update. What's been going on out here, my friends? Nothing too much has changed. I had a little bit of an issue with the Sawdust conveyor. My gearbox kind of froze up on me. We had some brutally cold weather here, and I had a little bit of an issue with it freezing up. So, make a long story short, I had to pull the conveyor out, let the dust fly on the ground like it's been, and continue on because I just had so much wood to move. I couldn't take the time to mess around with the conveyor, but I got out here recently. I got that squared away. Hopefully it's going to be back in action today. We'll see. Hopefully she serves us well. And I wanted to leave off where we left off in our video, my friends. So that's where we're leaving off right now. But before, it wasn't left off like that. I had a mess out here. We do what we do. We do it best. Make a mess and make dust. And then fill the mess with dust, which turns into more of a mess. So another beautiful day out here in New York. Oh, I got some hardwood, my friends, from my supplier. All hardwood. Look at that. There's no ash in there. Got a whole bunch of hickory, a lot of beech, cherry, hard maple. This stuff's more fresh, so I put it in a separate pile. I had some more older material that I threw over in my hardwood racks. Some more beech, some more hard maple, a lot more cherry. So that's nice to have with the mix of ash. I moved one of them whole sections of ash logs. One whole section here. There's half of it left up by the processor, as you've seen. So I have some ash right up next to the machine, and I come out here and maybe pick a stick of hardwood here and there. Things are hard right now. It won't be for long. Look at that beast just humming. Alright, got the truck here in position. Ready to go. Processor warming up. Little Bob on the job, as always. Conveyor warming up as well. Sawdust conveyor. This thing is made to just run all day. All day long. Changed the gearbox fluid up there. Greased all the bearings really good. Got the belt all tensioned up nice. I don't have it over tensioned because we're just hauling sawdust on it. It was my first conveyor. Should be all hooked up, ready to go. Let's make some dust and see how she works. Funnel it. Going up the conveyor. Beautiful load of product. I already took one load out, filling up another one. Sawdust going up on the right. Firewood here in the left. Beautiful. There he is. Faith likes her sawdust spot. Yeah, so just to keep you friends updated, I moved all this ash over here. Got a nice pile of it right next to the processor. And I just go up front, grab a stick of hardwood when I want to mix. Beautiful load of product. Off we go. They're loaded up, ready to go. Wasn't a bad job that did for the first day of working. The sawdust conveyor, look at that. All that mess would be just piled up around the processor. It is not bad. So much less monkeying around with that, fellas. So that worked out beautiful. And you know, we're gonna kind of modify that, maybe a big flexible tube to be able to contain the dust a little better so it's not, you know, flying around. But for now, I don't care if it's spreading around in the wind, to be honest with you. It's keeping it out away from me. That's all that matters.